Hi, in this episode, episode 4, we're finally getting down to braiding. Now, just so you guys know, this time we're not using any products. All you're going to need is your duckbill clips, some hair ties, a comb, and a brush if you need to detangle. Now remember, this is beginner friendly only. So, if you are familiar with braiding, please go ahead and move forward into the next episodes. But if you're brand new, please stay tuned. We're going to be learning mainly core muscle memory. Your parts do not have to be neat. Your braid doesn't have to be seamless. Your tension doesn't have to be perfect. What we are focusing on mainly is your hand positioning. Your hand positioning is the most important thing that you need in order to actually braid. When your muscle memory is strong and it's built up, everything else is easy from there. So, with that being said, let's get started. So in this portion, what you're going to see is me parting the hair from the top of the crown to the back of the ear. This is what you're seeing now. It's not important, as I said earlier, to get your parts perfect, but for some of those who just kind of want to see the process on how I do it, I've been doing this for well over 10, 20 years actually, so it's very simple for me. This is what I do to get a nice little seamless part. Typically, it's from the top of the crown to the back of the ear. Shortly here, you'll see me part again from the top of the crown to the front of the ear. This is just a basis that I use in order for myself to be able to get a good amount of hair to braid, just to practice. So if you would like to practice your lines, your parting, this is a good way to do it. But it's definitely not required. So in this portion of the video, what you're going to see is me doing 3 different ways to position your hands. Now, like I said, do it the way that feels most comfortable for you. I just wanted to give you 3 different ways on how to position your hair in case you just don't know where to begin. Because sometimes that's the hardest part for us, knowing where to begin. We overthink and we lose ourselves. So this here is my most comfortable position. This is underhanded. This provides so much more tension, or I should say hold, for the braid. This is why it's my favorite. But the positioning of the hair is exactly the same. You're always going to be taking the right and the left legs and positioning them into the middle to transition as the original middle anchors each. leg. Here is the second portion. This one that I will be braiding will be overhanded. This one provides a little less tension, and you tend to have to pull on the hair a little bit more. So in time, you just have to learn how to adjust your tension and adjust how you have the hair pulled, not tight, but taut, secure. And the third positioning of the hands is actually, or I should say, usually the hand position that you would use when doing cornrows. That's going to be in the next episode. So I would advise that the third braiding technique, pay attention a little closely. All right, I'm gonna be quiet and then you can just go ahead and watch the rest of this portion of the video. Guys, give yourself a round of applause. You guys did it. Now, hear me and hear me very, very well. Please, I urge you, please do not beat yourself up if you didn't get it the first time, the second time, even the fifth time. This video I have currently will be up for a few days. And I want to do it slowly and intentionally. The reason why is sometimes people like ourselves, we want to learn more and we want to go at a faster rate. Here, this is a shame-free zone. You can go as slow as possible, but to help you to be not slower, but intentional with everything that you're learning, because muscle memory is the most important factor on braiding. I'm going to have this one posted and the next video will be posted at the end of the week. Okay, guys? So please look at this video, watch this video more than one time so you'll have a clear understanding. Even if you have to watch it before you even get down to braiding, that's perfectly fine. Because me personally, I like to watch some things over and over again so my brain can actually grasp it, so it's a little bit easier for my hands to understand it. Once you get that braid down packed to your liking, oh, and don't forget to take a picture of it. Once you get it to your liking, do me a favor. Go in the comments and say, I did it. And then I know that I am actually helping you. And you're actually getting something out of my videos, because this is what I'm here for. It's not about fluff. It's not about attention. It's not even really about content. It's about education and helping people to learn in a way that I was not privileged enough to gain. Quick suggestion, do a few. Do 3 or 4. Maybe do a section of the head. But make it easy for you at your pace because you know you best. And with that type of repetition, you will be easily able to gain that muscle memory, and before you know it, your braids are going to be beautiful. If you like the information that I'm bringing to you, please, I ask if you can do me a great favor. Like, subscribe, and please share my channel to other people who may want to learn how to braid. Easy, simple, straight to the point, because we know we have busy lives. My name is Okanti.